Coming to you again with another unboxing at Sneakersin. What we have here is a very awesome pair of the women's Air Max 1 Parras. And yeah, it's a very tiny size for the first lady of Sneakersin herself, Miss Alma. So you'll see her rocking these. Again, can't get much cuter than this awesome pair. But you can see the awesome detail in there. This colorway is amazing. Has all of the amazing support from the bubble from the Air Max. Got your Parra logo on there. It's a nice meshway as well. So you have some of that open air ability to get in the toes. Of course, nothing but air. And then we have another pair in there. Okay. Gotta love this pair for sure. And of course, the missus will be happy with it. That's it from Sneakersin. Just wanted to give you guys some of the newest kicks that came through. Enjoy your weekend. And as we say here at Sneakersin, keep sinning.